Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way via the secret code. So let's tap on the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way with the usage of the settings. So let's tap on them. Here we have to tap on About Phone at the top of the list. Now let's go to the Detailed Info and Specs. And here scroll down to find the status. Now let's localize the model option. Let's tap on it. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.